The Research Institute of Brewing and Malting is the only research institute in the Czech Republic which has been focusing on malting and brewing continuously since the late 19th century. The Prague section of the institute was founded in 1887 and the Brno section in 1920. In addition to research groups, both units include analytical departments focusing on quality control of raw materials and final products. The main task of the Institute has traditionally been to provide aid to malting and brewing practices. We routinely determine important quality parameters of beer, such as alcohol content, bitterness, colour, or foaming. We check the contents of contaminants in beer and in raw materials for its production. Using the latest techniques, we expand the knowledge on the chemical composition of the beer and processes for its manufacturing. We established a sensory research centre in Prague, one of the most modern centres of this type in Europe. The centre evaluates beer from the market, our experimental beer brands, and a broad range of other beverages and foods. The tasters performing the evaluations are professionals who regularly undergo training and tests according to international standards. The quality of Czech hops, its content of bitter substances, essential oils, and healthy substances is very carefully evaluated every year. The quality of new varieties of Czech hops and malting barley in the course of breeding are evaluated in 2 experimental breweries with the aim to develop and test new technological procedures. We keep a unique collection of brewing yeasts. In its focus, it is unique in Central and Eastern Europe. We check beers for the possible presence of microorganisms. Their detection requires special techniques and equipment. At the Malting Institute in Brno, we focus not only on the quality of barley and malt, but also on the use of the malting process in processing of non-traditional ingredients. We also focus on quality and authenticity of both incoming raw materials and the beer. We determine substances that could adversely affect beer quality or even endanger the health of the consumers. Our attention is also focused on those substances in beer which bring health benefits. For example, we determine the content of beta-glucans and vitamins. Our efforts have contributed to maintaining the Czech brewing, malting and barley growing at their current top level. If you need to know anything about malt and beer, please contact us.